Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today we will be unboxing this 4K camera from Rappu. If naghahanap kayo ng webcam na 4K and hindi masyadong kamahalan and medyo pasok sa budget, then this video is for you. Okay, so for today's video guys, mag-unboxing tayo ng webcam. So this is the very first webcam na unbox natin here on our channel. And special to dahil this is a 4K webcam from Rappu. So specifically, ito yung C500 na model. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Okay, so let's just check on the box first. So as you can see here in front, you can see on the upper left corner is the brand name, which is Rappu. And then below it is nakalagay dito FHD or Full HD 4K. On the middle, obviously yung webcam natin. And then on the lower right corner is the model, which is the C500. Wala masyadong details on the other side. Yung system requirements lang niya is compatible siya with Windows 10 and Mac OS. And then on the back, some details lang. So opening it lang. And then of course, there's the manual. And then there's the cable, which is USB-A to USB-C. So good thing USB-C na yung connector ni Rappu C500. Then lastly is the webcam itself. Okay, so let's take a closer look of the webcam. So as we can see guys, very different or unique yung design ni Rappu C500. So as you can see, meron siyang lens cover for privacy. Wag naman sana na ma-hack yung computer mo na pwede silang mag-spy on you. So good thing na meron ng privacy cover for that specific purpose. And then it comes with the omnidirectional microphone. And then meron siyang microphone sa left. And I'm looking at the right side, meron din siyang parang butas. I'm not sure if microphone din ba siya because checking on the manual, nasa left side lang yung omnidirectional microphone. And then meron siyang flexible base or clip. Pwede siyang ipatong anywhere to your monitor or to your laptop monitor. Very flexible siya. Marami siyang use case. And then at the back, you can see the USB-C slot. And then may makikita kayo ditong 3-4 inch screw. So pwede nyo siyang i-mount sa GorillaPod or sa tripod. So, and ang galing lang kasi hindi lang siya pwedeng ipatong sa monitor but pwede rin siya sa tripod. So pwede mo rin siyang gamitin as a camera talaga. And I think ang purpose nun is mas flexible ka kung saan mo gusto ilagay yung webcam. So hindi lang siya yung traditional na nasa taas lang ng monitor. Okay, so let's proceed with the specs of the C500 webcam. So as I've said earlier, it has a video resolution of 4K or to 160p. And then meron din siyang 1440p, 1080p, and down to 720p. Meron siyang auto light correction, built-in microphone. So dual noise reduction microphone siya. And then yung interface niya is yung USB 2.0. And then the system requirements are Windows 7, 8, 10 or above, Mac OS X 10.6 or above, Chrome OS and Android version 5 or above. Isa sa feature na nakikita kong okay with this webcam, it has 80 degrees field of view. So I think benefit nun is malawak yung makikita niya on your space. Ang downside lang na nakikita ko is if meron kang mga bagay na gustong hindi makita doon, masasama siya doon sa 80 degree field of view. Pero I think may setting naman like si zoom na pwede mong liitan yung ratio. Okay, so for this particular camera, which is the Rappu C500, ang pinaka main difference niya from other webcam obviously is this one is having a 4K resolution. And then plug and play na siya, no need to download any software, just plug it in sa USB slot nung computer nyo. And then, pwede din siyang gamitin. And make sure lang to change the settings of your software kung saan nyo siya gagamitin. Like for example, sa FaceTime or sa Zoom. Kasi mostly naka-default siya to the laptop or the computer camera. And then, meron siyang removable protection cover. So yun nga, for privacy purposes. So for this particular part of the video, let's try naman yung capabilities ni webcam. Let's check kung okay yung 4K ni C500. Okay, so I'm using my camera here and then I'm transferring to the C500 webcam. So here it is, guys. Actually, I'm using my studio lights or yung softbox ko. So in reality, hindi talaga siya ganito kaliwanag. Pero looking at it lang in my monitor, crisp naman yung images na nakikita ko. And may mga noises lang dito sa gilid na to. And kasi dito part na to is madilim. But it's really normal. And for this particular price point na webcam, okay na yung pinapakita niyang resolution na 4K. Obviously, hindi natin siya pwede i-compare dun sa totoong camera. I'll try to turn off my light. Iiwan ko lang yung light ko sa taas. So, nag-shoot ako ngayon ng gabi. So, madilim talaga. Walang ibang ilaw. So, para makita nyo yung difference. Okay. So, ayan. Ang ilaw ko lang is yung nasa backdrop and then yung logo ko. I'll try to turn on my LED light bar para magkaroon ng ilaw. So, medyo lakasan natin. Okay, yan. So, from my Sony a6400, transferring to the webcam. So, ito yung tsura niya, guys, ng webcam using my LED light bar on top of my monitor. So, ganyan. Kasi pagka wala to, ganito siya kadilim. Which I think normal naman na pag madilim talaga, pag hindi enough yung ilaw, ang gamit ko yung ilaw ko sa taas or ceiling lights, hindi talaga siya enough. Kahit yung camera ko talaga, kailangan talaga ng ilaw. So, proper lighting din talaga. And then, I'm also talking using the microphone built into the webcam. So, ito yung mic output niya. So, comment down below what are your thoughts dun sa sound output ng microphone ni C500 Rapu. I'll try to turn on again the light. Yan. Okay. So, transferring again to my Sony a6400 camera. And I'm using my Fifine microphone. Obviously, hindi talaga natin pwedeng mapag-compare yung mirrorless camera to a webcam. Pero at least kahit papano, humahabol yung quality ng webcams natin sa mga SLR cameras or mirrorless cameras. So based from the video na pinakita ko, you'll be the judge kung okay ba yung pagka 4K niya or not. And then if okay ba yung built-in microphone na omnidirectional, okay ba yung sound quality niya. Pero based from my testing, nag-zoom ako, I tried to call someone. So shout out kay Ino for testing with me yung webcam. So, tinawagan ko siya using the webcam and as per him, okay naman daw yung microphone. He's using his phone and okay naman yung quality ng microphone. And then, sobrang linaw daw ng webcam. So, 4K naman talaga siya. Okay, so thank you to Rapu for sending this C500 webcam for us to unbox here on our channel. Rapu is a accessories company. So, meron silang mga webcams. Meron din silang mga keyboards and mouse. Marami silang products for your computer. So, I'll provide a link in the description down below and check nyo sila. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So, hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.